Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. So in our problem solving session every day we are giving 7 problems in chemistry. Now we are seeing problem in organic chemistry. Okay, you are also watching the problem every day. If you are interested means you come and join in our institution. So it will be benefit to you 100%. So only few days are there. If you want to crack your NEET examination within one attempt, you just come and join. Okay. So now let us go to the problems in organic chemistry. The lesson is alcohol, phenol, ethers. Understood? Now see the first question. See that, CH3, CH double bond CH2, hydrolysis in presence of acid medium give A, and chromic oxide is added to form B. Identify the common A and B. Both are they are asking. Okay. Suppose here if you see this one H2O, H plus means you just remember we are adding water molecule. The rule is what? Markovnikov rule. That rule we should follow. Okay. Simple one. Here listen all of you. This is nothing but propane, no? Okay, propane, outright propane. That is there. Okay, CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Understood? Now we are adding water molecule. What happened? When you add water molecule outright, H plus out split, H plus OH minus. Understood? So here we should, we should follow what? Markovnikov rule, no? Understood? Here Markovnikov rule means you know that. What is Markovnikov rule? Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Understood? Negative part means this is a negative part. Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Okay, this carbon having 1 hydrogen, this carbon having 2 hydrogen, no. So negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Automatically the positive part goes the other side. Understood? Are you following? Okay. So it is added based on Markovnikov rule. Understood? Now the product means, what is the product? What is the product obtained here? OH goes here. Now CH3. Okay. CH. OH. Understood? When we add anything means, any groups are coming, the double bond becomes single bond, no? So H goes here. Now it becomes what? Single bond CH3. Are you following? Okay. What's the name of the compound? We have 3 carbon. OH in second carbon. So what? Propan. Propan what? Propan 2-all. Are you following? Propan 2-all. Okay. Now, after that we should add what? Chromic oxide. You must know this is an oxidizing agent. It converts. What's the role of this means? It converts secondary alcohol to what? Ketone. You must know. Then only you can able to solve the sum. Each and every reagent you must know the role, function of the reagents. Okay. What's the function of this reagent means? It converts secondary alcohol into ketone. Okay. So this is called, this is secondary alcohol. If you put chromic oxide, what happened? If you put chromic oxide, it becomes, it's an oxidizing agent, no? It is an oxidizing agent. So, you know that. It is an oxidizing agent. Understood? So, it converts secondary alcohol into ketone. So, this will be removed. So, see, just understand. Okay, that's all. So, what? Minus H2O, minus H2O. Now, who is remaining? Who is remaining? CH3, CO, CH3. Understood? So, nothing but we get ketone. CH3, understood? C double bond O, CH3, understood? Okay. Nothing but you know that this is called what? Propanone. So, common A is called propan 2-all, common B is called propanone. So, answer is what? A is the correct option. Understood? Are you following? So, each and every role you must know, then only you can be able to get the product very correctly. Understood? Okay, next one. Identify the reagent. Now, they are given the reactant, product, everything is given. Reactant is also given, product is also given. They are asking to find out the reagent. which reagent, if you put, that convert this into that. Understood? Suppose here, each and every reagent having some function is there. I told you in the last class. Okay. PCC means what? What's a PCC? PCC means it converts. Okay. It converts what? Primary alcohol into. It converts primary alcohol to what? To aldehyde. Understood? Okay. Tolerance reagent converts. Aldehyde into what? Carboxylic acid. Okay, all are, this all are strong, mild oxidizing agent. Okay. So here chromic oxide also I told you in the previous sum, secondary alcohol into, ketone. Okay. K1O4 converts, primary alcohol into, carboxylic acid. Okay. So each and every reagent is having some role. So if you know the roles, you can able to solve the sums. Here, what is this? CH2OH is called, it's a primary alcohol, 1,0. It becomes what? Aldehyde. Are you following? So I told so primary alcohol into aldehyde. So what? Which reagents are necessary? Which reagents are useful? Okay, only PCC. So see the PCC. So option A is the correct one. Next one. Here what? Tolerance reagent. I told aldehyde into what? Aldehyde into, this is what? Acid, carboxylic acid. Understood? Okay. Aldehyde into acids. So who is doing that work means only the aldehyde is doing that, tolerance reagent is doing that work. So option A is the correct answer. Are you following? Okay. Next one. Identify the compound A and B. They are given anisole, no? This is called anisole. Reacts with HI to form A plus CH3I. Again, same anisole reacts with concentrated nitric acid to form B. They are asking to find only the stable product. Okay. Now see, that here anisole, I am writing right here. Anisole, OCH3, no? OCH3. HI. Okay. So, here we have three rules are there. Whenever HI is added to any ether compounds, we have three rules are there. Iodine prefers only, this carbon or this carbon means, this carbon is called what? This carbon is, this carbon is nothing but sp3 carbon. Are you following? This carbon is nothing but what? sp2 carbon. Okay. Iodine always prefer only sp3 carbon. Okay. So now the product becomes what? What is the product? What is the product obtained? Here iodine prefers only sp3 carbon. So I goes to CH3. Okay. Now the product will be what? CH3I. Okay. Plus H goes to this side. We are getting phenol. Okay. The product becomes what? This is a product. Understood? Okay. So answer is what? All are phenol. See, all the options having we have phenol is there. Okay. Now again see that now come to the second part. Same anisole when reacts with concentrated nitric acid, it gives what? Stable product. No, anisole is a what kind of director? It is a ortho and para directing group. Okay. So we will be getting, if it undergoes nitration, we will be getting orthonitroanisole and paranitroanisole. But they are asking to find only what? Stable product. Stable product means only what? Paranitroanisole. So A is phenol, B is what? Stable means what? Only paranitroanisole. So option A is correct one. Are you following? Okay, simple one. Okay. This only just remember, iodine always prefers sp3 carbon. Okay, H goes to other side. Then only we get phenol. Understood? Okay. Then this is very important question. Okay, same compound, no? Ethanol. Ethanol reacts with sulfuric acid at 413 Kelvin to get A. Same ethanol reacts with sulfuric acid at 440 Kelvin to get B. Identify A and B. Okay. Suppose at 413 Kelvin means here, intermolecular dehydration takes place. Intermolecular dehydration means two molecules of ethanol combined together. So I'll write it here. Two molecules of ethanol, no? CH3, CH2, OH. Understood? Whenever you write any two molecules together, two times means one molecule you should write as it is. Another molecule you write in reverse. Then only we can get the products very easily. Understood? Here, this is nothing but ethanol, no? Another ethanol I am writing in reverse direction. Then only we can get the products very easily. Okay. What happened? 413 Kelvin in presence of sulfuric acid. What's the role of sulfuric acid? It's a dehydrating agent. Okay. Dehydrating agent. Now you know that. What is that? What is this? Here, dehydrating agent means it removes. Okay. It is the tendency to remove water molecule. Okay. The water molecule is removed between the two molecule. No, between the two molecule. Then only this kind of hydration is called, we can say what? Intermolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration. Are you following? Okay. Another one we are going to see, that is called intramolecular dehydration. Okay. So the water molecule is removed between the two molecules. Then only I am saying it's called intermolecular dehydration. Okay. Now what's the product? Now you know that CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. That's the product, no? You know that. CH3, CH2, okay, O, CH2, CH3. Understood? Okay. This is called ether compounds, no? Ether compounds, ethoxyethane. Understood? Ethoxyethane. That's the answer. Okay. So now see the option. This is called ethoxyethane. Now B, come to B. This is first reaction only I have given. Okay. Second one, at 440 Kelvin. Here you should take only one molecule of ethanol. It's enough. Okay. Okay. Here see that CH3, CH2, okay, OH. Nice. நடுவில் கரண்ட் இல்லாமல் இருந்துச்சு. டைம் அருமையான கொஸ்டின். Okay, students. So here A we found out, A is what? Ethoxy, ethane. B is nothing but, we should take only one molecule of ethanol. Okay. So only one molecule of ethanol, at 440 Kelvin. Okay. So here also dehydration taking place. If you put sulfuric acid, same, you put, sulfuric acid, I simply put H plus. Okay. The temperature is, 440, Okay. Okay. So here, here also one molecule of H2 will be removed. How H2 will be removed means, the one H2 is removed within one molecule. Okay. So here H2 is removed between the molecule. So here this OH, this like this. Understood? Now the product is, CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. CH2 CH double bond CH, nothing but, that it's called ethene, no? Ethene. Understood? So this is called, this is example for intermolecular dehydration, this is example for intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular means the water molecule is removed within one molecule. That's called intramolecular dehydration. Okay. So option is what? A is the correct answer. Ethoxy, ethane and ethene. That's the answer. Okay. Very important question. Okay. Compulsory. They lost. Okay. Study thoroughly, all of you. Next one. Identify the common A and B. As usual, this is called, aniline. Reacts with sodium nitrate HCl 273 to 278 Kelvin to get A, which on hydrolysis at 283 Kelvin to get B. That's a question. Okay. So when I already told you. So when you see this reagent, these reagents are useful to produce only diacetyl salt. Okay. So NH2 becomes what? NH2 becomes, N2Cl. That's the role of this reagent, N2Cl. Okay. So N2Cl means now NH2 becomes N2Cl, no? So what's the product? A is what? What is A is what? Benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, that's called A. Are you following? That's the role of this reagent. Sodium nitrate and HCl, if you add, means we are getting benzene diazonium chloride. That is A. Then which on hydrolysis, water is added means, water, for our convenience I am splitting like this. Okay. You know that what happened here? H from here, Cl from here minus HCl. Okay. Always the N2 is removed as nitrogen gas. Okay. Then only OH only is remaining. When the OH goes to benzene, it is called what? We are saying what? It is called, phenol. You following? Simple. Okay. So A is benzene diazonium chloride, B is what? Phenol. So option A is the correct one. Understood? Okay. Now go to the next one. The compound A, which gives turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes by adding Lucas reagent. The compound A reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form an alkene B. Find A and B. That's a question. Okay. So here in Lucas reagent, Lucas test means you must know. Okay. Who is giving here this reagent to differentiate primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol? Okay. You studied. What is Lucas reagent? It's a mixture of con HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. This test to differentiate primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol means no turbidity. Secondary alcohol means gives turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes. So this is a hint to find out the compounds. Okay. So who is giving turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes means only who is giving? Only secondary alcohol. Are you following? Okay. Only secondary alcohol only giving turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now the compound A reacts with, so secondary alcohol means, so who is secondary alcohol here? Butane 2-ol. Here also butane 2-ol. Okay. First I'll take this one. Butane 2-ol is the secondary alcohol. So what's the formula for butane 2-ol? CH3. Okay. CH, OH, CH2, CH3. Butane 2-ol is the secondary alcohol. Okay. To that, if you add what? A reacts with, this is A, understood? From the hint only, I put this compound. Okay, then A reacts with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. What's the role of the concentrated sulfuric acid? It's a very good dehydrating agent that will remove water molecule. Understood? So what happens when you add this reagent? When you add this reagent means, this OH takes nitrogen from here. What happens? So minus H2O, minus H2O will be removed. Understood? And following, remaining, the double bond will come in between this and this. Okay, in between this and this. Okay, so what's the product? What's the product? CH3. Okay, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CH3. Are you following? Understood? CH3, CH, again CH, CH3. Nothing but, double bond in between 2 and 3, then only we can say it's called what? Butene. Understood? Butene. This is called butane 2-ol. So butane 2-ol and butene, nothing but B is the correct option. Understood? Okay. So all the tests you must know. Lucas test, we have dehydration test, we have oxidation test. Understood? This test, if you know, means you can be able to solve the sums. Okay? Right. Next one. Okay, here based on phenol, I have given one question. This is, phenol. Phenol is oxidized, it's a powerful oxidizing agent, Okay, oxidized by this reagent to get A. Again, phenol reacts with, zinc to get B. That's a question. So, it just, this all is present in chemical properties of phenol. Phenol is oxidized, phenol, I write it here. Phenol. Okay, phenol is oxidized by this reagent. Okay, so we get, here, this all we study as it is here. Here inside the benzene we have only 2 double bond will be there. Here double bond O, double bond O. This is a compound. This compound is nothing but it's called parabenzoquinone. Okay. So parabenzoquinone, A is called, parabenzoquinone. Okay, you just study, phenol is oxidized, we get the same product. Always we are getting the product, parabenzoquinone. Okay, then phenol is, reduced by zinc. Okay, so what happened? So you just remember simple one is zinc. I'll write it here. If you put zinc, what happened? This will be removed. Zinc oxide will be removed. Understood? Zinc oxide will be removed minus Z and O. Now O is remaining H, Before that we can say C6H5 only. Okay, CH5COH. So CH5OH. But if you remove oxygen, the H goes here. Now it becomes what? C6H6. Nothing but what? It's called what? Benzene. Benzene is obtained. Okay. We get benzene, understood? We get benzene. So, simple one. Phenol is oxidized, we get parabenzoquinone. Phenol reacts with zinc to form, benzene. So, answer A is the correct option, understood? So, I given only the very standard, equations only. So, study this thoroughly. I already told you name reactions and important reactions. Okay, term reactions and all, if you study means, you can easy to answer all the, or 1 or 2 questions they are asking in NEET examination, you can easily answer them. Okay, students, thank you.